Good morning, my hug buggies. I hope you're ready for another fun baking. So we are going to make a little face. Okay, so you can use a rice cake and you can use some cottage cheese or cream cheese. And then I'm going to take a knife and put it all over our rice cake. And little ones, don't worry if you still struggle to spread it nicely across. Just practice, and I'm sure there's a grown-up can help you, okay? You just practice, and spread it all over your rice cake. So now you need 2 cut pieces of carrot to make some eyes. Then I cut half a cocktail tomato to make a little nose. Put it there, nose. And then I also cut a cucumber in half to make little ears. And then I cut another one, and I only need the one half for a mouth. Oh, it's so cute. Let me show you guys. Look at that. Isn't it so sweet? Your little rice cake and made a little face using carrots for eyes, a half a cocktail tomato for a nose, and cucumber for the mouth and the ears. And here you see, with our mouth we taste, with our nose we smell, with our eyes we see, and with our ears I listen. And you know what? Our skin, it can touch. So if this is our little face, so we've got skin on our face, and you can feel with your hand, you can feel with your material. So it's a nice senses baking. I hope you guys have fun. Bye.